Hello everyone. So our topic for today is regarding how to empower our people. So in line of the word empowering people, so it should be a connivance of the words leadership. So leadership. So whether you are managerial, supervisory, team leader, PIC, or as long as you're handling people. So it should be or you should have a leadership. So for today's vlog, so I'm going to share to you my knowledge regarding the four main rule of a leader. So four main rules of a leader. Okay? So in order for you to be a good leader someday, in order for you to be a great leader on your company or etc. Okay, so number one rule of a leader. So as a leader, you must know or you must have to initiate the planning. So number one is planning. So as a leader, of course, you should be the brain of all system who are moving to your surroundings, to your community, or to your company, or to your team. So you must know how to do the planning. Number two is the organizing. So of course, after you have plan, and then you must have to organize. So organizing, let's say for example, you have already the vision or you have already the plan. So you will be the one who organize. So let's say player A, you must have to go here. Player B, you must have to go there. And then player C, you must have to go here. So you must have to do the organizing also. So number one, planning. Number two, organizing. And then number three is the implementing. So implementing, so after you have planned, after you have organized, so you must have to ensure that you must have to implement what is your plan, what did you organize, and it should be implemented. So it's very important that whatever your plan, whatever you organize, it should be implemented. Okay? So and then number four, you must have to be in control or controlling. So that's the number four, control or controlling. You know what? Because of if you really out of control of your team, if you lose control on your team, so definitely your goals, your ambition, your target will be definitely in vain. Because you're already out of control. It's just like you're handling a car. When you lose control of the car, of course, you will never go to your proper destination. You will hit to the bridge, you will hit a tree, or maybe you will be in disgrace. So, you should be in control. So, remember the four main rules of a leader. Organizing, planning, organizing, implementing, and then control. Okay, so sana nakatulong. Once again, follow me. Marion Choi, what's up? What's up? Keep it up. Bye-bye.